After 1 day of installation, the screen is fully worked, also the Bluetooth, but the buttons are not working at all. I can turn it off, I can turn the volume on or off, not mute, everything. To shut it down, I have to take out the cables from the back.
So I really like the stereo. It was really also user friendly, not as difficult as we thought. It connected with my phone with no problem. I'm able to talk and connect to have my conversations, and the touch screen, awesome. Let's not forget, it has a cute little remote. Let's see where that is. Oops, I guess I left that inside, but really love this product, guys. You're not gonna regret it. And let's not forget, this car phone holder is another one. Great job.